the time, honey. I'd love to see the way your hair shines in those neon lights, dancing on the hardwood, couple do-si-dos and